Good medical morning. This is Watson, showcasing some of my favorite dilated pores, including this one from Dr. Lawrence Green. By the way, we're celebrating 85,000 followers on Instagram, so follow us at Greatest Medical. There's a link below. It helps to follow as Instagram suppresses pimple popping searches, so you have to follow our page to get all the pops. Here's one of my favorite dilated pores that I've seen in a while. Thank goodness for gloves. This one comes from Jennifer Meadows. We licensed it from her years ago. You may have seen it before, but it is still a classic. Also, check out the YouTube channel titled Like You. They provide amazing pimple popping content like this. Well, that was fun. Make sure to click the subscribe button and notification bell for all our updates. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to check out our favorite Pimple Popper kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures, but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.